Unlock the secrets of the cosmos with the breathtaking Earth zoom effect, made accessible like never before with Higgsfield AI. Today, we're diving into Higgsfield AI to create that iconic visual transition, zooming from the vast expanse of our planet to a hyper-detailed, close-up view. Our first step is to launch Higgsfield AI. You'll need to upload your base footage. This could be a static image of Earth or a video clip. Think of this as your starting point, the wide shot that sets the scene. Now, for the magic, Higgsfield AI allows you to define where this zoom will end. You can select a specific geographical location or let the AI intelligently choose a point of interest. Crucially, you'll also specify the desired level of detail. This determines how sharp and clear your close-up will be. Next, we define the zoom path itself. Higgsfield AI intuitively guides you through setting the trajectory of your zoom. You're essentially telling the AI how to move from the wide shot to your chosen destination, ensuring a smooth and believable motion. With your source material, destination, and path defined, it's time for Higgsfield AI to work its wonders. Simply initiate the generation process. The AI will meticulously craft the intermediate frames, seamlessly bridging the gap between your initial wide shot and the final close-up. And there you have it, a stunning Earth zoom effect, brought to life with incredible detail and precision. Higgsfield AI makes this powerful visual tool accessible, allowing you to add unparalleled cinematic flair to your projects. Experiment with different starting points and destinations to create truly unique aerial journeys.